Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. My name's Courtney, and on this channel, we talk about making money online. If you're interested in that sort of stuff, then be sure to like this video, subscribe if you've gotten value from it, hit the bell notification to get updated when I upload new videos, which is daily, so make sure you stay tuned. Also, I want to talk today about 3 sites that I use to make money and some cash outs and how you can use them as well. So the links will be down in the description. If you're interested in joining with the bonus, please click them. Okay, so let's get into it. The first website is Prizerebel.com. Link will be in the description. This site, you do surveys, offers, watch videos to earn money. Okay, you see I have 38 cents. Every 100 points is $1. Okay, here's your mailbox. Here's the surveys that you can do. Okay, you get 25 cents for 4 minutes. Always set up your profile to be honest. Okay, I'll do a quick overview of this. Earn extra points and offer wall bonus. Click and enter here. Okay, you have to click there and confirm that you want the offer wall bonus. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. Always check this corner to see what they're offering. This is your daily challenge. Reach 135 points, you get 5 cents. Okay, so if I reach $1.35 today, they give me 5 cents. If you do that for 5 days, you get 30 cents. This is the raffle. It's a $20 gift card for Amazon, and my goal is a $5 PayPal money, excuse me. There's a lot of different gift cards you can use. I'll go over that in a second. Here is your promo link, okay? This is where you make money from your referrals. You provide them with value. You put your link down in the description. You will be a part of my team when you click that link, and I will help you one-on-one if you need help. Okay, so you can always go to earn, you go to surveys, do your surveys, go to offer walls, see what they have, go to videos. Okay, we earn $5 every day. Okay, that's the goal, $5 every day consistently. All right, so I'm going to go to rewards to show you what this site's all about, because I only have 38 cents, and I think the minimum to cash out on Prizerebel is $2. So we're actually going to go to rewards. Okay. You can do gift cards, PayPal. There's always new gift cards. It shows you the most popular. There's gift cards for everybody here, guys. Starbucks, Walmart, Apple, Domino's, Papa John's, Ulta. You know, the sky's the limit. And Christmas is coming up. Today is September 1st, so I do advise you to click the link in the description, sign up, and make some Christmas money. Okay? So it's 500 points for PayPal. I love PayPal. I also have a prepaid card that goes to my account so that I can just load that on there and then use that card for whatever I need. You can go to $1 to $5 rewards. You can do Amazon gift cards, $2 Amazon, $2 Apple, okay? $3 Dunkin', that's 300 points, 200 points, 200 points, okay? Any of these cards, when you get to the diamond level, is discounted. Every gift card is discounted except PayPal, okay? Because of their fees. Next site, Superpay.me, okay? This site, you can use the same routine you do on Prizerebel, okay? The link will be down in the description. You see I have 62 referrals, okay? All right, so I have no points. My cash balance is $1.84. I will be cashing that out. My total paid is $44.09 I've earned from this site. I love this site. It's one of my top sites. This is today's top paying offers, okay? You always do these. Try to qualify, okay? Latest paid surveys. Tells you right here, okay? So you can do that. Superpayme.me offer wall, okay? Do paid surveys, do offers. Get your referrals, make videos, put your referral link, show people how to earn, just like I'm doing for you. So we're going to do a cash out. All you have to do is hit cash out. It asks you how much you want to cash out. A minimum is $1. They also have Skrill, but it's $5. So it's going to charge you a 2% fee. I click withdraw cash. It's going to go right to my PayPal. Okay. So if I go back home, it's going to show a 0 cash balance because I cashed out my dollar and change. Okay. So you want to use this site as well. There are so many offers. I do surveys, do your surveys, do tap, do theorem, do your AdGate offer wall, your Peanut Labs, your Offer Toro, your Ascend Media, do Revenue Universe, do Want Ads. They're all great, guys. Make sure you're making your videos, putting your referral link in there, because it doesn't matter how many referrals you have. If you only have a couple working, that's what's going to make your money for you. Okay, they have a $1,000 cash contest. They tell you your rewards. You can also get you can get gift cards or whatever you need. BankRobux is the next site. Okay. You see right here, I have 3.75 bankrolls and 52 cents in cash. Okay. So I want to go to converter and I want to convert 3.75. Okay, you always have to convert your bankrolls. Okay, so I have 55 cents. You do the same on this site. You do your pay click wall ads. You do your paid to click. You do your AdGate media. You do your tap research. You earn money. Okay, I only have 2 referrals on this site. All the links to these will be in the description. They all work the same way, guys. Join all of these sites today. It's the 1st of September. Great start, new month. It's a great way to be, okay? So links are in the description. Do your work, sign up, do your offers, do your surveys. I have to get off here because I have some more work to do. But if you need anything, just send me a message. I'll be happy, or comment below. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. I hope you decide to join my team, and I will talk to you guys soon.